I'm just going to show you one question on this one. This is question 22. This is probably the thing we're going to have to work a lot down the board. And so this is kind of how I do order of operations. And this will be a good one to demonstrate that on. So let's just read it so we know what we're reading. We have 5 times -8 minus the quantity of 6 minus the quantity of 2 minus 4 plus 12 minus 16 squared. So order of operations state we must do parentheses first. We have 2 sets of parentheses. We have this right here and this right here. This first one we really have 2. These are called brackets and these are called parentheses. So we do the internal parentheses first and then we do the external parentheses second. And then we can do those. So I like to do this, and I'm going to just change colors a little bit back and forth just so you can see the differences. So I like to underline what I'm doing first, and then I write my problem. I have 5 times -8. That's not a parenthesis, that just means 5 times. Minus, I'm going to go ahead and leave that bracket. 6 minus, now I do what I've underlined. 2 take away 4 is -2. If I have 2 and I take away 4, I don't have enough, so I'm in the hole. And so I actually here have a double symbol. Plus 12 take away 16 is -4, and I'm going to square that. I still have to keep doing parentheses. So here is a parenthesis. I'm going to have a double symbol here. I'm going to change that to 1, and I get 6 plus 2. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to do my parenthesis first. So I have 5 times -8 minus 6 plus 2 is 8 plus, and I have -4 squared. So next thing I want to do is my exponents. So that's my next step. So I come over here and I have 5 times -8. I'm just going to write it like this instead of with the parenthesis. -8. And then I have plus -4 times -4. That's what that means, which is positive 16. So what we could do is write it a little bit right here and say that's plus 16. I can go ahead and do my multiplication. 5 times -8 is -40 minus 8 plus 16. It's starting to look better. I have to do or adding and subtraction, but I have to do them from left to right order. So I'm going to start and I'm going to subtract first. If I have -40 minus 8, -40 minus 8, I have 49 minus signs. I have 8 minus signs. I have a lot of minus signs. So I'm at 48 minus signs plus 16. So if I have 48 minus signs, but now I have 16 plus signs to cancel out, I'm still going to be in the negative, but I'm just going to be less in the negative. And I subtract and I get 32. So the answer here, and this is called the funnel method. It's like you keep going down and down and down and you create like a funnel. And that's how you do order of operations when you have a really long problem. Thank you.